or the uninsured who find themselves in chronic pain. Every day is a living hell.
They're devastated, they have a terrible pain that they just can't escape from. No matter what they do, no matter how they try to run away from it, it's with them.
You can lose your job, you can lose your family, you can lose your house. It is a serious, serious problem.
Some of these patients come to an end point of extreme pain and devastation and the loss of socialization, loss of productivity.
Having numbness in my right arm, and it eventually started a heaviness in my legs. And I woke up one morning and I couldn't feel my arms or legs.
The back pain just takes so much out of you because you're exhausted from one, not being able to sleep, and two, your whole day is filled with a constant nagging pain.
My back hurt so bad, I couldn't hardly breathe. And it scared me. I thought, what am I going to do? I can't stand up straight.
I had a herniated disc and it was causing my leg so much pain that I had to basically clench my knee to my chest and lay in the bed. I could not move.
I was on the ground just crying, sobbing. Everything hurt. I couldn't move my head. It felt like electricity going through my back and shoulders, and I had numbness in my hands and fingers.
I can't do normal stuff that a 21-year-old should be able to do. You know, you think about the little things and just stuff that wouldn't even matter, you know. You just feel hopeless.
The pain began to take over. I couldn't enjoy the things I used to do.
Her joints and her ligaments were overgrown to the point that it was beginning to put pressure on her spinal cord.
I quit my job because I couldn't work.
This can cause people to have problems with fine coordination of their hands. She had trouble writing, numbness and tingling in their hands. It can cause problems with their ability to walk.
I became depressed. I didn't want to do anything anymore. I felt worthless.
When you extend your neck, you can get a lightning-like sensation down the back of your spine. That is excruciatingly painful.
I didn't have any hope that I was going to get any help. I thought I'd end up being this way the rest of my life. I discovered the Spine Health Foundation. They were compassionate, encouraged me, gave me that hope that I needed. And I was excited to get the surgery done so I could go back to normal living.
Immediately after surgery, you could tell a difference already. She had a smile on her face when you walked in the room.
As soon as I woke up, I could feel my arms and legs.
And then we saw her several weeks later, post-operatively, for her first follow-up in clinic, and the improvement was even more dramatic.
I really have to thank the foundation for all they've done for me, because they have encouraged me and gave me hope and helped me get my life back up on track to be the person that I am.
I had to give up school, and I've been to church my entire life, and I can't even sit through church anymore.
Even if the back pain isn't directly debilitating, it can cause staggering consequences.
I made a collision with a guy. It was a wet, rainy day, cold, and immediately felt a shooting pain into my shoulder. My immediate reaction was fear. It was a scary moment. You're just wondering, is this ever gonna end?
Had to call the ambulance to come get me. They strapped me in a chair that take me down the stairs.
I was terrified. You know, animals depend on me. My family depends on me.
It's a very scary thing.
Back pain disrupts your life.
I mean, everything you do kind of revolves around your spine.
Now, I'm very appreciative for the Spine Health Foundation and really pleased to be a part of it in any way that I can, because these patients genuinely need help. They didn't choose to have these issues. They didn't choose to be uninsured or underinsured.
Spine Health Foundation is a complete resource. We deal with real people, we deal with their emotions, with their physical and financial needs.
If their primary problem is back problems, that's what's keeping them out of work and affecting their day-to-day life. Having health coverage that doesn't cover your primary dis-ease is of no use. And Spine Health Foundation step in and help patients who need help.
Those poor and fortunate souls without a medical alternative turn to alcohol, drugs, or worse, due to depression and despair. Divorce and bankruptcy follow as social support systems fail, and these people are alienated further from society.
Something such as the Spine Health Foundation, with the dedicated doctors that are involved and other providers, can give them a hope and actually give their family a hope.
And we're blessed to have a lot of wonderful doctors on this organization to be able to make us move forward.
It's giving people hope for the rest of their life.
Spine Health Foundation gives me the opportunity to give help to those in need.
And we create hope, and we create the light at the end of the tunnels.
The Spine Health Foundation is a beacon of hope for those without hope.
They said that I couldn't have anything done to help, so I just thought that I was going to have to go through this for the rest of my life. And then a couple months later, you came into our life, and I really appreciate everybody. Now it's going to be good. I get to get better.
I just had my surgery yesterday, and for the first time in over a year, I don't feel any back pain at all, and I'm really excited because I get to get my life back on track now. I'd really like to thank the Spine Health Foundation for helping me get this surgery that I needed.
I created this foundation out of my own adversities and personal struggles with chronic back pain. I know what it's like to live with intense pain and to lose enthusiasm and even hope. There are countless stories of depression, overuse of pain medications, loss of employment, and much worse, all related to chronic back pain. Everyone's life matters. Your support will provide hope to those who need a helping hand. Join me in making a difference in someone's life. Please support the Spine Health Foundation.